Hey, computing friends. Hope you're doing well. My name is Dustin C2, and I am the Director of Product Marketing here at Premio Inc. in Los Angeles, California. I'm here today to provide some perspective on how we've empowered our customers for over the last 30 years by engineering and manufacturing rugged edge computers that really deploy these IoT scalable solutions. But first, I would like to give you a state of affairs and currently where the market is. As our digital world continues to shift and transform enterprise business landscapes into smaller digital atmospheres, the best computing solutions act on data insights for real-time processing and deliver intelligent results, especially with faster, power-efficient cores jam-packed into smaller nanometer silicon for blazing fast compute power and 5G wireless edge connectivity on the horizon. The next generation of embedded IoT solutions will consolidate the most complex workloads and enable machine learning for a future of artificial intelligence. On behalf of Premio and our incredible engineers, we welcome our partners to explore our solutions for powerful processing and connectivity at the rugged edge. Premio and its engineering teams are helping our customers with next-gen applications that depend on incredible processing power. The most exciting applications today act on data insights, pushing boundaries for intelligent automation and streamlined operational control. These complex edge workloads run machine learning algorithms for cognition and push AI models for real-time results. Some of the most exciting applications deployed from Premio's rugged edge computers include robotics and industrial automation, computer and machine vision, autonomous vehicle and fleet management, medical imaging and scanning for disease prevention, and last but not least, smart surveillance for security.